Have you ever, felt this weird vibe? Like the Earth is kind of, humming? Well, get this. It's actually true.
Yeah.
Today we're diving deep into this crazy thing called the Schumann Resonance. Basically, the Earth has its own, electromagnetic heartbeat.
It's true. A constant electromagnetic pulse
Yeah.
between the Earth's surface and the ionosphere, averaging, around 7.83 hertz.
Okay, whoa, hold on a sec. Ionosphere. Now, I'm no scientist, but
Mm.
I think we need to, back up a bit here. What even is the
All
ionosphere?
right, of course. So picture this.
Yeah.
Way up high in our atmosphere, there's this layer. It's where the air molecules get all charged up. Ionized, they call it, by the sun's radiation. And this creates a kind of ceiling that bounces these electromagnetic waves back down to Earth.
Okay, so like a mirror.
Exactly.
So these waves get trapped, bouncing back and forth. That's what makes this, resonance thing. But where did these waves even come from in the first place?
Well, the source is pretty shocking, literally. It's lightning. Yeah. Every time lightning strikes, it's like this little zap to the Earth's electromagnetic field, sending out these waves that, you guessed it, get trapped between the Earth's surface and that ionosphere ceiling.
No way. So you're telling me that lightning is making the Earth hum?
You got it.
Okay, but how? I mean, that's wild. Can you, break it down for us?
Sure. Okay, imagine, right? The Earth is like this giant bell. And every lightning strike, it's like the clapper hitting the bell, the ringing, the vibration you hear, that's the electromagnetic waves traveling around. But it's not sound waves we're talking about here, it's electromagnetic ones. And these waves, especially the ones with really low frequencies, they bounce back and forth between the Earth's surface and the ionosphere, and they sort of amplify each other.
Oh, okay.
And this creates what we call a standing wave. And that, my friend, is the Schumann resonance.
Okay, I think I'm starting to get it now.
Yeah.
But, how much does this resonance really affect us? Is it just some, background noise? Or is there more to it?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Scientists have been digging into this for decades, and there's some really cool research that suggests it could actually be linked to some pretty important things, like our sleep cycles, brainwave activity, even our moods.
Whoa, hold on. Really? There's actual science behind this.
Yeah.
It's not just some, new agey mystical thing.
Oh, absolutely. Real science.
Yeah.
For example, there was this one study, right? It found that specific frequencies within the Schumann resonance, particularly around, that 7.83 hertz we were talking about, well, they showed a correlation with increased alpha wave activity in the brain during meditation. And alpha waves, those are the ones linked to relaxation, a calm, mental state.
Wow, that's fascinating. It makes you think, have we totally lost touch with this natural rhythm? I mean, with all the noise and craziness of modern life and all.
It's a really interesting thought, right? Think about it. For most of human history, we were exposed to these subtle electromagnetic variations all the time, without the constant interference of technology and all that.
So you're saying that, early humans, without all the electronics and stuff, they might have been way more in tune with the Schumann resonance.
That's the hypothesis. Some scientists believe that these subtle variations might have played a much bigger role in the lives of early humans. They didn't have all the technological buffers that we have today.
That's kind of mind-blowing. Makes you think about how disconnected we are from nature now, doesn't it?
For sure.
But, okay, apart from maybe messing with our meditation vibes, why else are scientists so fascinated by this Earth hum?
It's not just about us humans, Scientists are also using the Schumann resonance to study the Earth itself, its atmosphere, its climate. Changes in the resonance can actually be indicators of big events like solar storms or even, global warming.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
So by tracking this invisible hum, we can learn about things way, way bigger than ourselves.
Absolutely. The Schumann resonance is like this fingerprint of our planet's health. It's this powerful reminder that we're all connected to each other, to the Earth. And even the tiniest things can have these huge ripple effects.
Okay, so to wrap this all up, we've got this Earth humming along at around 7.83 hertz.
Yeah.
Right? Caused by lightning. And it could be affecting everything,
Yeah.
from our sleep to the planet's health. It's like the Earth has its own heartbeat.
Yeah.
And we're just beginning to, understand its rhythm.
Exactly.
So here's a thought for everyone listening. What if the changes we're seeing in the Schumann resonance, maybe because of climate change or all the tech we use, are actually impacting us in ways we haven't even figured out yet? It's kind of freaky, but also, really cool to think about, right?
Absolutely. It's a whole new world of discovery.
It really is.